So I thought I'd do a little video here this morning. It's Saturday morning. We're getting ready to roll out and go to Dragway 42 for a no prep race, but that'll be on the next video. But this video here, just wanted to give a little shout out because reason we haven't had anything out here lately or anything, big Jim back there, is Dad was in the hospital for 10 days, and then we went through some sketchy times with him, and then we got him in rehab now. So that's kind of like we've been a little bit late on getting some videos out and stuff, and me and Kelly and Jim and Sue been have to take care of that. So we're going to get back on. Pops is doing a lot better. We got him in rehab. So Coot's going to stick around with us a little bit more, so that's a good thing. So we just wanted to check in here and let you know that's kind of where we've been, why we've been a little bit slow getting some things out. But you'll see this video where we finished up the Greenhorn Hillbilly to go to this race, and then we'll be getting out some more videos. So appreciate everything. Appreciate all the comments, the subscribers, likes. Thanks from all of us.
What are y'all doing now?
He's just laying out a template so that when we replace the rod ends, we can get them close.
Oh, okay.
Like, I'll make this template, so then I think this is the passenger side bar right here.
Okay. How can you tell?
Because then they got the groove in it.
Oh, okay.
So
Wow.
huh? Lefty loosey, right?
Lefty loosey.
Right?
Yeah.
This way here. Correct? You hold it. Guess what we're gonna get? Huh? Got it?
Yeah, I'll set it on the floor.
Okay, I'll let y'all know when dinner's ready then. It won't take long. Hope for neither of you should be starved to death.
No.
Oh, here we go.
Just set it on there.
The towel. I'm gonna put it in the vise. I'm just gonna signs. So Jim and I, as you can just see in the video, just put the new FJ solid Heims in. So now we got to put the new Sperkel Heims in the front here. We should have them tomorrow. That's the game plan. Right, Big Jim?
Yes, it is.
Tell you what, we've been doing an awful lot of climbing it underneath this car here lately.
I know. I know, we gotta put the transmission in and we'll just say, well, here we are again.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta take this off now, dang it. Can you slide me that 9/16 ratchet wrench, Jim?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? I bet you it's a 5/8. I'm lying to you.
5/8?
Yes. Now if I miss, it'll be a 3/4 because I ain't been real good here lately. It is 3/4. Can't see through my glasses. Far away.
Oh, sorry, dude.
Oh, I get it.
Get it.
I'd have paid attention, put this over the rear end before I stuck it in there. We wouldn't have to do this, you know? Okay. Bolt out the other day. Where the heck's it laying at? Did I throw it in the deal or is it laying under the car here? There's them two. There's two for the transmission. Okay, there it is. I got me one more washer for this. Huh. I really gotta go way over that way. You know? Track loop kicked up. I need to get one more washer. Okay. Oh, you hold on here just 1 second there, burglar. How's this thing slide down, Jim?
Just push it.
Just like that.
Gotta get it right so my wife don't give me shit.
I should give you shit anyway.
Okay. All right. Jimmy can get inside. We'll get underneath here and we'll get her up in there. Away we'll go. Look, they even stuck the yoke in it, man.
Huh?
They even stuck the yoke in it.
It's about time. Come on, you bitch. Don't fill the hole. There it goes. I think. Turn the tail shaft. We're not in.
Oh. You know, watch knock that bearing back out of there. That's all bad for me.
It's gotta go up more, doesn't it?
Yeah. We're way low. That's the problem. You ready?
Yeah.
Now pull back.
All right. You got the front?
Yep.
Let's take it out.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh shit.
That's because the fucking thing fell down.
Huh? Is the bearing?
It's got to go up. Bearing's fine. What the hell is this thing hitting? You're way down below.
Is it down below it?
Yeah.
It's hitting the thing.
Oh, I see what it is. Hitting the finger.
No, it's hitting over here. The bar's hitting on this. No, it's not. What's it hitting on?
It's hitting the finger right here.
It's bottoming out against the deal.
And we'll pull this out. Watch your head.
Gotta rotate back like that.
You gotta rotate it back too much though.
Okay.
All right, right there it is.
Okay, well make sure that bearing's in that crank though, because that bearing falls out of that fucking crank.
It's in.
Is it in?
Yeah, it's in.
Okay.
Yeah, it's in.
Okay. Does it need to go up or down? Or?
It needs to stay right there.
I'll hold. Is that good right there?
Yep.
You think you can get it?
Where's your alignment tool?
I think you have it there, didn't you? Here it is. Let Jim grab the top of it, and I'll hold.
Let me go right in.
Okay. Let Jim grab the top of it once you get going. And it's kind of like
Pulled up. I can't get under it. There we go. You fucking bitch. There we go. She's in. You gonna go, TJ? Okay.
Just had to hold our toes the right way, right?
Yep. All right, where's the bolts?
Oh, they're all up in the top. They're on the floorboard on that side, Todd.
I can't reach them.
Jim, hand them down to us.
Still needs to go in for it. I don't see him, but I'm blind anyway.
Here, let's socket. Here, take 2 sockets. Right there. You can use socket on your side.
What the hell'd you get?
Here.
It's 7/8.
Oh, right there. Is that 3/4?
No, 13/16. We'll get it with the wrench.
I can't see. See, that's what happens.
Edit that out.
I don't know where to put my glasses. I can't lose my glasses.
Go find your glasses. Let me have
Oh,
them.
shush. Ah. Jimmy, it's gonna be nice to get this thing all back together. Oh. So, as you guys can see, put the rear end all back in, Stand Tough shocks on, new brake lines. It's all going pretty good. Kind of see the setup we run on the rear. Got it old school looking, but seems to be working. Might have to change a few things on it over the winter, but we'll see. We're going to try to get everything to work, but that's kind of where we're at right now. So that's kind of the rear end, how we got it in there, and got a few more things to get her back together. So we're on our way back here from Jegs. Went up to pick up the last couple parts we needed to fix the 55, get the Greenhorn Hillbilly going again. So we just about got her back together. We got to get the dry shaft up tomorrow, which will be Monday. This is Sunday, so it'll be Monday. We got to get the dry shaft up to driveline 1 and get it double checked out just to make sure it's okay. It looks good, but we're putting new U-joints in it, and I got to put the new yoke on it. Jim and I will do that today here later on, but then get it rebalanced. Got to bleed the brakes, change the oil, and that's about it. And then she'll be ready to go. We're going to go to 42 this Saturday. We're going to go up there and run the backside no prep race with it. So that's our game plan. But like I said, we're just heading back here from Jegs today. So we'll see if we can't get some more stuff done. Okay. Oh. These save your butt, man, but they're a pain in the butt.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
It's It's a necessary evil.
No, it's we gotta have them, but
Yep.
they're just a pain in the tushy, you know.